are May 31st, 2020. That is a Dendrocalamus Asper Source 1 or S1 seed. And I got a couple other labeled here. And that is a brand new baby Dendrocalamus Asper Source 1. And I got another one right there. And there. And there. I think there we go. And then I got two over here, but they don't seem to be popping up yet. That doesn't mean they're not going to. It just means I can't see them yet. Oh, wait, no, that's something else sprouted. That was, I put a little bit of composted worm casting stuff in here. Oh no, this two didn't pop up yet, but I'm pretty sure they will. Oh good. Pepper plant, I almost killed that in the sun. But I got some new aspers coming. When you come running out here, as soon as I go near the gate, she keeps an eye on me. As soon as I get near the gate, she comes running out there. Oh man, look at all these peppers. This thing is loaded. Kind of hard to see on the... I bet there's 50 peppers on there. And this one, you can't see them quite as well, but they're up under there. And there's about 40 on there. Oh man, look at the size of that one. Lots of great peppers ready. I'm ready to make another quart of base, hot sauce base out of that. Oh man, look at that color of those things. Whew. And my tomatoes that the raccoons ripped out when they were just tiny are doing pretty good. Starting to get some blossoms. But it's starting to get so hot, definitely going to have to pull them out of the sun to try to get some fruit to set, because they won't set in this kind of heat. Alright, now this is a S1 Asper from last September. September 2nd, and it's in a 15-gallon pot now. Just moved up from a 3-gallon. And it's got a fairly... oh, there it is. There's the new sprout. It's got a new shoot in there. It's almost 2 foot tall already. So, if we keep getting some rain, that should do pretty good. I got, likewise, a Seedlings over here that just went into a 25-gallon pot. It's got a kind of a new shoot there, too. Not too big yet. These are getting quite a bit of sun out here. This is another Asper in a 15, and its leaves are curling up a little bit. I could move it over here a few feet and get it in the shade, but or maybe move it over here closer to some sunflowers and stuff. My sunflowers are starting to pop. Got a couple opening up. Those are nice to see. Oh, and I got a bunch more started too. Took a few days for these guys to pop up. There's another nice new shoot. Everything's putting shoots out. We had a little bit of rain the other day. Some more Trinidad scorpion, moruga, chocolate pepper plants there. I'm pretty sure that's what they are. You can never really tell till they start making peppers. Bunch more sunflowers there. This is a D.Sinicus that's been in this pot for probably a little over a month, and it's got a new shoot. Start putting some branches out on it. And then this, that thing is like 4 foot tall now. That's the one that started in February, I believe, right around Valentine's Day, second week. And then a couple other newer shoots. Of course, the big fat one is the newest shoot. Or is it? No, wait, that's a newer shoot right here, this one. That shoot was the newest one. It's about 6 foot tall now. Now I got this newer one. It's probably been up a couple days. It's about 2 foot tall, maybe a week. And these other new shoots, and these are doing pretty good too. This one's like 6 foot tall, and it's already got another one out there. Oh wait, no. No, it's just got the one new shoot out on that one. And this new shoot over here is probably almost 3 foot tall. But yeah, these things are really sucking up the water. Especially if they have a sunflower or two in there like this. That's going to be 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons of water a day just for the sunflowers in there. And then this one over here, that needs to go in a 25. That's going to be the next move. I just threw that in there because it was bigger than the 3 that it was in. Hey, Peanut. And it's already, I knew it wasn't going to last long in there, so I got to get one of my 25s over here and fill it up. And then, oh yeah, I spread some sunflowers over to here, and they're too big for the rabbits to eat. Two of them got eaten out of that little clump right there, and you got one day, and then he got that one day, and then he came back and ate most of that one. But they haven't messed with them since then, so I guess they're a little harder to eat when they're... Quit stepping on those! They're a little hard to eat once they get above, 18 inches or so. Have all those little spiky little hairs on them. I guess they're not as tasty. Oh wait, I guess I wasn't filming there. Don't know where I left off. But anyways, here, this was an air layer that I had. It's almost severed off now. It looked pretty good the other day, but I guess it is not going to make it because it's losing its last leaf. This had a leaf on it. That had a leaf. It's still got a little bit of moisture in there. We had some rain the other day, but it's mostly severed. I slowly started separating it off. I'm going to break it off now the rest of the way, but it looked pretty good the other day, just yesterday or the day before. I don't think it's going to make it now. But yeah, everything else is looking good. I got the Aspers going in 15s, got a couple Seedlings going in the 25s. I got 3 more 25s I got to fill up. I'm getting a little low on compost and dirt. What are you doing over there, Peanut? And yeah, everything that's been moved up into a 3 gallon is looking good, and geez, another couple weeks everything needs to go into bigger better. You can't really grow bamboo in a small container. I have them in containers because I want to sell them, and it's going to be just easier to put them in a big container than to dig them up out of the ground. So that's why, if you want to grow bamboo in your yard, you're going to buy it in a container like this. Then you're going to plant it in a nice spot, and it's going to do way better. So there it is, my miniature forest, the bamboo farm. And I noticed that, I got a bunch of stuff that's over my head already. They're taller than me in the containers now. Especially the sunflower, that thing's like 7 foot tall. And my ginger is looking, I just dragged it over here, getting a little bit more sun. It's got all these really light colored leaves, it's really pretty. And look at these beautiful leaves. Gorgeous. I can't remember if that's, I think this is the galangal, the spicy Thai ginger. And yeah, it looked like it needs a little bit of water. I just gave it a good flooding. Mesh grow bags use a lot of water. If it's a rainy season, they're great, but if you got to irrigate them, you need a pump. But the galangal ginger sure seems to like it. Even if they get a little dry, they just do really well. I think it needed a little more sun too. It was in the shade over here a little bit more. Oh yeah, and I got 20 bambusa long internode here, seedlings, and just went into 3-gallon pots from the what were they, half-gallon bags that I started them in, and they were getting kind of root bound, but they're doing pretty good now. A lot of them got new shoots coming out, and I actually got a hot pepper plant in with this one, so probably should have tried to separate that out, but I just left it. And there's a brand new shoot on that one. And I wish it would rain some more. See, these are already got some leaf curling up in the sun here. These have already been out in the sun for probably a good hour. These ones in the shade, or mostly shade, aren't going to burn up quite as bad. Out there lizard hunting all them lizards. Yeah, you better come in here and take a rest for a while. There's a lizard right there. You missed him. No, you're not going out there.